Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Coral Hills. Local and long-distance movers near me. Are you finally moving to your dream city, or have you landed your dream job in another city? Whether you are crossing states or heading abroad, you'll have a lot of bags to pack and things to do. Let our movers pack your belongings safely and securely so you can have time to learn interesting facts or places to visit in your new city before your actual move. We at 3 Movers provide our services to property owners, students, veterans, renters, business owners, and all others who need moving services. It's a bittersweet memory to leave your longtime place for a new one, but even when you are moving nearby, you still have to pack everything anyway. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Coral Hills moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.